Hi, this is Sarah from Made on the Comment, and I just wanted to record you a quick video with some more tips on getting your dates to be recognised properly in your Etsy payment statement. So I've copied my payment statement into the template. Now, the columns that you see on the right will vary depending on which version of the template you've got. But what you can see is the dates have come in what I'd call a long format. So rather than it just saying 28/02/21 or 02/28/21, it's actually kind of written February as a full month. And it also has a comma at the end of it. And you can see that to check whether this is affecting your file, if you actually click on one of the dates, what you need to do is look in this payment in the formula bar up here. And if you see a comma in that bar, then it kind of shows that you've got an issue, because what you see down here is sometimes just your display format. So what you want to do is actually look in this formula bar up here and see if you see a comma. And it's the comma that's throwing the dates out. And what that means is that sometimes it won't recognise it at all, and you will just see value in these two columns here. So it won't be able to pick up the year or the month. Now, in this example, it is finding the year and the month okay. And if I go to the payment account check sheet, you can see that it all looks okay because it's put most of my numbers are February, so it's correctly identified February with a little bit of January in there. But if I go over to the annual summary, and this annual summary actually uses the date column rather than the month and year, you can see that it's not picking anything up. So if this happens to you, if you've got figures in your 12-month report, but no figures in your annual summary, then it's probably to do with the date format again. And the way to fix this, so you can do it kind of manually by cell. Literally go into the formula bar, click on that, hit enter. You don't need to change anything. And it kind of automatically corrects it. And you can see that even though I haven't retyped anything, it's now fully recognised that date. It should be a date, and it should be 28th of February. If I do the same with the next one, so nothing looks different over here. But if I go back to the annual summary, you can now see that it started pulling numbers through. So it said, oh yeah, I know what to do with that date now, so I'll kind of use it. But that, obviously, if you've got thousands of lines, you don't want to be going through every single cell. So the other way is, what we need to do is just replace this, remove the comma from the date. So highlight the whole column. And then similarly to if you've had to correct your amounts here, you go to Find and Select, go to Replace, type a comma in the top box, replace with nothing because we just want to remove it, and click Replace All. And you can see, as if by magic, it's now gone through that whole column and correctly kind of put all of the dates in. And if we go to the annual summary again, you now see it's updated all of those numbers, and they should match. So 446761, 446761. So you can see it's updated everything perfectly. So if you're having problems getting your numbers appearing properly in your file, I would definitely do that check. So you want to click on the date, have a look up there. If it's written 28 February, 2021, just get rid of the comma and hopefully that will fix it. If it doesn't, then please send me your file so I can have a look and see what's going on. And if you could also, if you click up here, there are two things here that say short date and long date. Now these will vary depending on what your regional settings are for your computer, and this is something that tends to get set automatically when you first set up your computer. But if you could also include a screenshot to show me what format things need to be in, then that would help me tell you how to fix, because there are some other fixes that we can do as well, but they will depend on what your computer is looking for, if you like, in the dates. So there you go. Some quick fixes on working with your dates.